Hi everyone, this is Eddie from CRW. On the table is the RONI kit for the Glock series. It's by the CAA. This airsoft version. It's not for the real gun. And the model for this is Marui Glock 17 and 18C. They do have another model for KSC, but we are not going to import them right now. We also have the P226 version, and I'm gonna show you how to install this kit. It's pretty easy. There's a button at the back. When you press that, and the stock will extend. And on the front, it's got a vertical grip, and then there's two pins when you pull it out, and pull forward here. At the back, and this you can open. This one is the charging handle for the pistol, because when the pistol is inside the body, you cannot cock the slide. So it's got the slot. So it's like that, and you put the pistol in here, and then you close the cover, and then here you go. You've got the SMG with the Glock 17 internal, and this is for a backup magazine, but it's pretty tight because it's quite hard to pull it out after you install that. So this is the safety. This is how you shoot the gun. So it's come with the flip sight, so it's pretty compact size as well. So you've got a SMG and a pistol. So thank you for watching.